This is Casey Matthews with Seton Education Partners with a quick tutorial on how to use two features in Excel. The first is the concatenate formula, which allows us to combine two things into one cell. And the next is the text to columns feature, which allows us to separate things into different cells. As you can see, here I have a list of celebrities. In column A, their first names, and in column B, their last names. But what I would like is their first and last name in column C. In order to do this, we could go down the list and type everyone's first and last name. However, there's a more efficient way to get this done. In the first column, I press the equals key. Then I begin to type my formula concatenate and choose it from the list. Once I've chosen the formula, then I need to tell it which cells I want to combine. In this case, A2, comma, and B2. Now if I do it exactly like that, it will put Ashley and Judd together with no space. But we'd like a space between the two words. So I go into my formula, and after A2, comma, I insert a space in quotation marks, comma, B2, and press enter. Now we see that there's a space between Ashley and Judd, and I can drag this down and apply it to the rest of the names on my list. Now that we've learned how to concatenate, we're going to learn how to separate these names into two separate columns. In order to do this, we need to take the formula away. So I'm going to copy these names and paste special with the values only. Now as you can see, I've gotten rid of the formula that was in column C. Column D only contains the names. In order to separate these, I highlight the words I'd like to separate. I go to Data, Text to Columns, Delimited, Next. I'm going to choose space instead of tab because the space is where I would like it to separate. If our names were separated by commas, I would click the comma instead of the space. Next, choose General and then press Finish. Once I press Finish, I can see that the first and last names have now been separated into two columns again. Now you've learned how to use the concatenate formula to combine cells into one column, and you've learned the text to columns feature, which separates those back into two columns. Hopefully you'll be able to use these features on your future Excel adventures.